Good Monday morning. It's our Monday morning meetup. Hope you are off to a great start today. How you start your morning sets your bar for the whole day. I've learned to have, I've got a set of routines that I go through. Not big things. My bathroom routine takes all of, 5 minutes? But it energizes my whole day. It's a start that just gets me going. Who would like more energy in the morning? If you are one of those people, comment down below if you'd like to wake up with more energy and rock your morning. Let me know. I'm going to do another talk in a couple of weeks, and I can sure speak to that if you're interested. The morning is an amazing time. If you can manage to wake up before the sunrise, which is not that hard right now, you leverage energy that is mobile, that is bright and light, and you'll carry that into your whole day. Those of you that might be night owls and like to stay up late and then get up late, when you wake up, the further into the morning you go, but definitely after, even a ways after sunrise, you wake up in a heavier time, a more sluggish time, and you'll carry that into your day. So, morning tips for this week. Wake up early so that you can take advantage of that mobile light energy and just have more energy for your whole day. The other tip is an old one. If you read the old books, they did this all the time. Rinse your face with cold water in the morning. It helps boost your metabolism, gets your blood flow going. Cold water rinses in the shower, they're almost painful, but they get you breathing deeply. They help your lymph system get moving because it helps get your circulation moving, gets everything going. Cold water is amazing. But just rinse your face with cold water and a washcloth, and you'll be amazed. Try it and see. The added bonus, it tones your skin, tightens your face muscles. Who doesn't want a little anti-aging action, right? So, morning tips for the day. Take advantage of the before sunrise time and add a little cold water to your morning routine. You'll be amazed. You'll wake up with energy. Well, you'll add energy to your day. If you would like to wake up with more energy, just say yes in the comments, and I will let you know when I'm going to be talking about that. So, have a great and abundant day. We'll talk to you later.